at the Team Group booth at Computex 2016.
We've got a full range of SSD product. Okay, from the basic one, okay, to the gaming one. Okay, we try to develop the product to fit all kind of audience.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the SSD, external SSD.
Oh, this is interesting, guys. This is an Apple series. This is Apple compatible, right? SSD drive, external.
Yeah, external, and this one is with the Type-C connector.
Type-C, USB Type-C.
Yes, USB Type-C connector. And this product we just won the Taiwan Excellent Reward this
Excellent
year.
Award?
Yes,
Amazing.
you can see the product there.
When is it available?
I think it will be the third season of this year.
Okay, so Q3 of this year.
Yes.
What's the price range?
That's a secret. Because we are the first one who have this product.
Yeah, it's the first one I've seen. So it's a USB-C external drive using SSD.
Yes.
So that's something new.
Yeah.
T-Force for gaming.
Yeah.
These are the mainstream.
Yeah, that's the mainstream.
And
this one, the EVO means it's use the TLC flash. Okay, that's for the consumer market. And this two one, with the MLC.
MLC.
Okay, MLC maybe for the gaming or more professional ones.
Professional gaming series.
And with the same solution, we also have a different kind of interface, like the M.2.
The M2.
Interface.
The PCIe.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Again, these are good for laptops, right?
Yeah.
And there's maybe small box systems.
Yeah. Because not only for laptop or the consumer use, some industrial computers, they also have the space limited and use M.2 as the interface.
Talking about the T-Force, when is that available? Is that available now?
And also in the Q3 this year.
Q3. Yeah. No price range yet.
Yeah, and in the next window, I introduce you. We will have a pack. Including the overclock DRAM bundle with the T-Force SSD.
Great. Let's have a look at your DDR RAM.